Hello students, today in this presentation we'll discuss about the representation of negative numbers from chapter 1 number system and codes, subject digital techniques 22320. So we have already studied about the binary number system. In that we have studied it is having only two numbers 0 and 1, and the different terms related with the binary number system also we have studied. We have also studied about the most significant bit, MSB bit, and the LSB bit in a binary number system. MSB bit defines from where the binary numbers start, and LSB bit defines from where the binary number ends. Now as you know that in decimal number system we have positive numbers as well as negative numbers. The positive numbers you are having a sign of plus, otherwise there is no sign and just the number. So you can find out that it is a positive number. But for a negative number in decimal number system, you use a sign of minus. So if the number is -1, so you come to know it's a negative number. But in binary number system, we basically don't use sign, plus sign and a minus sign, to represent the positive number and a negative number. So the question is how to find out in a binary number system whether the given binary number is positive or negative. That we have already discussed in the slides before, in the videos before. If MSB bit is 1, that means the given binary number is negative, and if MSB bit is 0, that means the given binary number is positive. So this is how you can represent a negative number or a positive number in binary number system. So that we are going to study in details in representation of negative numbers in binary system. So there are three representation. First is sign and magnitude representation, second is ones complement method, and second is third is two's complement method representation. We'll see all these things in detail. Now why we need to have a representation of negative numbers? Because binary number system is nothing but utilized by the computers. So computer must handle both positive and a negative number. So it has to handle, since it is handling binary numbers, so it has to handle both positive and a negative numbers. A signed binary number consists of both sign and magnitude information. So the first representation, that is signed binary number system, it is consisting of both sign and magnitude information. So but that is least being used. The mostly used representation for negative number is one's complement method and two's complement method. So widely used is only two's complement method. So we are going to see all this method in details in the coming slide. First we will discuss about the sign and magnitude representation. We have already discussed about this. In sign and magnitude representation, if the given number, whatever binary given number, you have to just check the MSB bit, and if the MSB bit is 0, that means it shows that the binary number is positive, and if the MSB bit is 1, it shows that the given binary number is negative. Now example is also given in this slide. Check this. Decimal number 39 we have converted this decimal number into binary number using division by 2 method, because since it is just an integer and the binary representation of 39 is 1 0 0 1 1 1. But this is the magnitude, that means the value of the given number 39. So 39 value of 39 is just the value, and its binary value is 1 0 0 1 1 1. But here we want to write the decimal, we want to represent the decimal number as minus 39. So this minus sign we have to attach with this value. So for that purpose we have attached two zeros. Here we are grouping it into four bits. So when you start making 4 bits from the LSB bit, so it starts with like this, it starts like this 1 1 1 0, 4 bit from LSB bit, and then 0 0 1 0 1, and then we are going to add 2 zeros here, so that it can form a 8-bit group. Any binary number system, when you want to represent binary number, if you want to represent, you have to always represent in 3-bit, 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, and so on. You cannot represent in between like 5 bits, 6 bits. You have to represent in this standard format only. So here what is happening is, it is having only 6 bits. 39, the value of 39 is 6 bits. Now we want to put the sign. For sign we are using 2 zeros on the MSB bit side. 2 zeros are added. Now after adding this, we want to represent 39 as negative number, so that MSB bit we are going to change it to 1 as shown here. It has been highlighted in the red color. So that last MSB bit 0 is converted to 1, and now it becomes minus 39. It is sign and magnitude representation. Understood? In this slide you would be able to understand it little better. So we'll take any number from the circles. Check here. We'll take 3 here, plus 3, positive number. Check out the positive number. The value in binary is 0 0 1 1. It is represented in 4 bits, so it becomes 0 0 1 1. You can also represent in 3 bits, but you are going to represent in a standard way, so that is 4 bits, so 0 0 1 1. So that is plus 3. But if you want to represent that that 3 in as a negative number, so that means if you want to represent minus 3 in binary number system, you are going to represent like this. Here it is shown 0 1 1 remains as it is, because that is the value, that is 3, and the MSB bit is converted to 1 from 0 to 1, so it becomes 1 0 1 1, and that is your minus 3. We can even take one more example of 4. It is already shown here. Check here. The 4 plus 4, its value can be written in 4-bit binary as 0 1 0 0, 4-bit. So actual value of 4 is plus 4 is 1 0 0. Now if you want that number to be as minus 4, to be as negative, then the MSB bit is converted from 0 to 1. Check here, the arrow has been marked, so it becomes 1 1 0 0. This is your sign and magnitude representation of binary number. I hope you have understood sign and magnitude representation. Now we will go to the next method, that is ones complement method. This is very important from your exam point of view. The exam question is always like this: a binary number is given, and you have, and they will write it. They will tell you to write its ones complement form and twos complement form. So here we start. A binary number will be given. ठीक है, here the example is given 10110010. So this is the binary number. Its ones complement is convert 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. That means the digit which is 1 convert to 0, replace it with 0, and digit which is 0 replace it with 1. So the answer is 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is ones complement form of the given binary. So in this chart also you can see one example which is given here, +4. +4 is written as 0110 in 4-bit system. So its ones complement is, you have to replace zeros with 1 and 1 with 0. So MSB bit 0 becomes 1, then 1 becomes 0, then next 0 becomes 1, and again 0 becomes 1. So the final -4 is equal to 1 0 1 1. This is ones complement method. So remember, any binary number is given, replace 1 with 0 and 0 with 1, and that is your ones complement method. Now we'll come to the next method, that is twos complement method. Twos complement representation. It is very easy again, but only thing is you have to recall binary addition here. So the step 1, any binary number will be given to you. Step 1, convert that binary number into its ones complement form. That means that binary number is given, convert all 1 to zeros and all zeros to 1. And after getting that ones complement, add binary 1 to that, and whatever answer result you get is your twos complement result. So one example is given here. So example A is 10110010. This is the binary number. So step 1 for twos complement method, step 1 is convert into ones complement form. So we will start with the MSB bit, so that 1 becomes 0, then 0 becomes 1, then 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is ones complement of the given binary number as shown here. So in that result, in that ones complement method, add binary 1, use the binary addition rules, and after adding, you whatever answer you get is nothing but your twos complement result. Again the second example is here, B. The given binary is 10110010. So here I have converted into ones complement method. You are going to add this with the binary 1 and let me know the result of it. That means twos complement answer should be given by yourself. So this is twos complement chart. So you have to check out this chart. You have to find out the values. +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, all binary are written here, and their twos complement forms are also here. You have to verify using the rule which I have taught. Convert into ones complement form and then add binary 1 into it, and that is the answer of that is the answer which should be same as shown here. That means +3 is 0 0 1 1, and -3 in twos complement method is 1 1 0 1. I want you all to verify this and let me know. Thank you.